Ooh, recording. All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining. And first, I'm gonna slow down because people are saying that I'm talking way too fast, and my light is not on. Oily face. Yes. So as I say again, people, it's a new year and new things aiming bigger and better for this year. Possible if I can reach even maybe 20k for this year or 30, 40, 50. Anyway, it's possible. I will definitely appreciate. So we have some major things happening this year, major things. But before we do that, before I get into the details of the video, I want to speak about Greg Leigh and his performance against Tottenham Hotspurs yesterday. So I want you guys to do smash the like button, also hit that subscribe button as well, and I will totally appreciate it if you guys do so. Hit the notification bell so you get all the videos as soon as they drop. So as you can see right there, we have the great Mikel Antonio, but look over to the next side. Yeah, we have the two goats, both the greatest of all time, Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. And anyone wanna ask, I am a Lionel Messi fan, but you definitely cannot, you just can't look past what Cristiano Ronaldo has done. So definitely the two greatest of all time. So let's get into the meat of the matter. So I want to speak about Greg Leigh, people. He's a player that I'm very much interested in. As you all know that he's very talented. So he had a very good performance against a Tottenham Hotspurs team, a team that I thought that even though they dominated the game, I really thought that Greg Leigh put in a very good performance. Now, yes, he made an error leading to a goal, in which we can say that it could happen to anyone. It could have happened to anyone, people. So I think that's just a part of football. That is definitely just a part of football. So before I do that, let's get into the stats. This is something that I want to get into. Let's get into the stats. And let's just analyze the stats just a little bit. Alright, so total minutes played 90. It's the FA Cup, people. It's the FA Cup. That's actually the only time you'll see these type of teams going off, playing against each other. Morecambe versus Tottenham. The dream lives, and that is the whole aspect of these types of competition, so that players can actually get the opportunity to play against the best, or the recorded as the best, the players in the Premier League and such. But it gives them that dream. And FA Cup, if anyone didn't know, FA Cup, winning the FA Cup can take you into Europa League. So even if you're playing in League 2, League 1, if you get the opportunity to win the FA Cup, you will get that opportunity to play in the Europa League. So it is actually a very prestigious, one of the oldest trophy in world football. So why is this so loud? This is quite loud. Let me bring it down a notch. Yeah, so take it down a notch. My bad, people, my bad. Alright, so minutes played, a total of 90 minutes played, 3 clearances made, 2 interceptions. He made 5 tackles, encountered in 11 ground duels, and he won 9 of them. Also in 8 aerial duels, and he won 6 of them. He had 41 touches, accurate passes. Yeah, it's not even a lot of passes as well, because Tottenham had most of the possession, and as anyone would have expected, that Tottenham would have had most of the possession, and he only had completed 53% of his passes. He attempted 3 long balls, 1 completed, 3 dribbles attempted, in which he burst down the line, and 3 of them were successful. So, but in that aspect, it is quite good to see our players, Reggae Boyz specifically, playing against the top teams in world football at this moment. And we saw that where we had Greg Leigh playing against Tottenham Hotspurs, and it's a good look. It's definitely a good look. It's definitely a good look, and time will come again where we can say, hey, The time will come again where we can see more of this. We have seen it with the Premier League players, and also it's one that we have to look at. I will give you guys a little bit more update on a few more players that also had good performances in the same FA Cup. Is it FA Cup? Yes. But I will give you guys more updates on those players. But for now, people, this has really been a good one. New things coming, try some new stuff as well on the show. But you know, and nothing will work out. But I'll see you guys again. Military Guna TV people, and I am out.